Shoot! Oh shoot, hang on. Shoots! How's it? In this video, we're gonna check out a multi-use UV flashlight. 4 options in one flashlight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, by the way, the winners for the Gearlight S50 in my last video, I picked the winners and the winners are on Instagram. So you can check that out and see if you won. If you did, please DM me on IG. Thank you. Alright, shoot, let's go. So what's inside the box? Let's see. Pretty cool polymer box here. And here it is. This is one VASTFIRE UV 4-in-1 flashlight. I don't know if you can see that here, but there's 4 colors in there, 1 LED. We'll get to that in a minute. Now another thing it comes with, there's a USB mini charger port right here, right? And it comes with the charging port cables right here. Charge it, put it in, put it to the wall, or your charger, cell phone charger thing, you know. We also get a battery charger. Now what's cool about this one is when you plug it in and charge it, you actually get an LCD screen right here that shows you how much juice is left in the battery. Pretty cool. And also, you get 2 VASTFIRE batteries, rechargeable batteries. Now there's only one here, but I have one in here too. So pretty cool. You also get this. We don't need this, but if you want to use it, you can. It's you put AAA batteries in here, stick it in. We don't need that. So now when you want to put these in, the battery, it comes with this casing. Now you want to make sure you put the battery inside the casing. Otherwise, it's going to sound like this. It's just going to wiggle around in there. So, put in the casing. It doesn't wiggle so much anymore. Oh wait, let's check the threading. It's pretty smooth threading. See it? Wiggle it around. Can't hear it. Okay. So like I said, the USB mini right here to plug in. So you don't have to use a battery charger, which is pretty convenient. It also says on the box here, it's power light, energy saving, waterproof, and explosion proof. Not sure what that means, but don't go blowing it up. Or blowing it up. Yeah, don't do that. Comes with a pretty sturdy clasp here to, hook it onto your pocket if you need to. What else? Nice little lanyard here, which is pretty cool because you can adjust it like this. You can adjust it. And then, if it's on your wrist, you can actually detach it at the same time, like this. Easy access. The body is made out of aircraft grade aluminum. And you have these heat sinks here to dissipate the heat, obviously. And we're gonna have to test this hot symbol. Can you see this hot symbol here? See how hot this really gets when you keep it on. I doubt it's gonna get hot, but we'll see. So this is pretty much what you get with this. Let's go test it out. Yeah. This adjustable beam angle spread is pretty cool. You can go super wide, which gives you a bigger spread of light, or you can go super narrow, which will give you a much stronger beam and brightness. So this is about 40 feet away with the adjusted beam angle, almost narrowed all the way down. The widespread beam angle makes my garage light up like a Christmas tree. Now the wavelength on this is 400 nanometers. You won't be able to find a true 365 nanometer with a 4-color changer, as it would be way too expensive and the LED would probably burn out super quick. This video was a little different. If you got value out of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. Also, if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Join the fam! Thank you for watching. Mahalo!